Welcome! In this video, we'll deploy VS Code in just a few minutes. With Code Server, you can run Visual Studio Code on your own server and access it from any device using a web browser. By the end, you'll have VS Code up and running, ready to start coding anywhere. Let's get started. First, head over to launch.knife.io and log into your account. If you're new to Knife, you can quickly sign up and get started. After logging in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. Now look at the sidebar on the left. Find and click on Marketplace. This is where you can explore and deploy various applications, including Code Server. Here, search for Linux Code Server. Once you see Linux Code Server, hover over it and click on Deploys to begin the setup process. Deploying Code Server will only take less than 30 seconds, so sit back and relax while your app is being set up. The deployment was successful. Now, we just need to wait for approximately 90 seconds to allow the DNS to resolve. I've waited approximately 90 seconds for the DNS to resolve. Now, let's click on Open App to access Code Server.
Great.
Now that we're all set up, you can start exploring Code Server and enjoy a fully functional VS Code environment accessible from any device. Whether you're working remotely or setting up a self-hosted development environment, Code Server makes it easy. Thank you for watching. If you need any help, feel free to reach out to us.